Hello again, viewers. I'm Anastasia, working closely with Irene for day 18 of our in-depth 50-day software architecture class, where we continue to layer essential knowledge for building world-class systems. Looking back at day 17, we examined reliability engineering in detail, focusing on fault tolerance to gracefully handle errors and redundancy strategies to ensure backups and high availability, all to create resilient architectures that withstand real-world disruptions. Today, we're complementing that by diving into monitoring and logging best practices, exploring how to use powerful tools like Prometheus for metrics collection and the ELK stack for comprehensive log analysis, enabling you to gain deep visibility into your systems, detect anomalies before they escalate, and make data-driven decisions for ongoing improvements.
Perfectly timed, Anastasia. Monitoring and logging are the eyes and ears of reliable systems, turning potential blind spots into actionable insights for sustained performance and stability.
Providing a more expansive overview for day 18 to fully set expectations. Monitoring involves continuously tracking key metrics to assess system health, performance, and resource usage in real time, alerting on deviations. Logging captures detailed event records for postmortem analysis, debugging, and compliance audits. We'll spotlight tools like Prometheus for efficient metrics scraping and querying, and the ELK stack for centralized log ingestion, search, and visualization. These practices connect directly to Day 17's reliability by enabling quick failure detection and recovery, and Day 16's scalability patterns by monitoring load distribution and auto-scaling effectiveness. Why invest time in monitoring and logging as core architectural practices? They allow for early detection of issues, such as resource spikes or error rates, preventing minor problems from escalating into full outages that could impact business operations. They optimize performance by pinpointing bottlenecks, tying back to Day 15's profiling for targeted improvements. For compliance, they provide verifiable audit trails required by regulations like GDPR. In Day 7's distributed microservices, they support effective debugging across services, correlating events to trace root causes efficiently. Breaking down the basics of monitoring to build a solid grounding, metrics are quantitative measurements such as CPU utilization, memory usage, or requests per second, collected at regular intervals to track trends. Alerts trigger notifications when metrics breach predefined thresholds, enabling rapid response. Dashboards aggregate visuals like graphs and gauges for at-a-glance overviews. Monitoring types include infrastructure for hardware health, application for code-level insights, and business for high-level KPIs like user engagement. Exploring the basics of logging for comprehensive event tracking. Logs are time-stamped records of system events, capturing what happened, when, and why for historical analysis. Levels range from debug for detailed traces to info for normal operations, warn for potential issues, and error for failures. Structured logging uses formats like JSON to make logs machine readable and searchable. Centralized logging aggregates from all components into a single repository for easier correlation and querying.
Monitoring best practices expanded. Define key metrics that align with your service level objectives, SLOs, from day 17 to focus on what matters most for reliability. Instrument your code with custom metrics to capture application-specific insights beyond infrastructure. Set meaningful alerts with thresholds that trigger only on actionable issues to prevent alert fatigue. Incorporate AI-based anomaly detection to identify unusual patterns that static rules might miss. Logging best practices in detail. Log purposefully by capturing only relevant events to avoid bloat and noise in analysis. Include rich context like correlation IDs, timestamps, user info, and metadata for easier tracing. Rotate and archive logs to manage storage and retention policies. Secure logs with Day 14 encryption and strict access controls to protect sensitive information. Introducing Prometheus, an open-source tool for monitoring metrics designed for reliability and scalability in dynamic environments. It uses a pull model, scraping metrics from instrumented endpoints at intervals, stores data in a time series database optimized for queries over time. PromQL, its query language, allows complex aggregations and alerts based on metric patterns. Prometheus in practice. Use exporters to collect metrics from databases, hardware, or apps not natively instrumented. Alert manager groups and routes alerts to channels like email or Slack. Integrate with Grafana for rich, customizable dashboards. In Day 20 Kubernetes, it has native support for auto-discovery of pods and services. Introducing the ELK stack. Elasticsearch for scalable search and storage of logs. Logstash for ingesting and processing from various sources with filters. And Kibana for visualization, querying, and dashboarding. Together, they form a powerful platform for centralized logging, enabling full-text search and real-time analysis.
ELK in practice, use beats like FileBeat for lightweight log shipping from nodes. Define index patterns in Kibana for efficient searching across logs. Leverage machine learning modules for anomaly detection in log patterns. For ease, opt for managed Elastic Cloud to handle scaling and updates. Integrating monitoring and logging, correlate metrics from Prometheus with logs in ELK for comprehensive root cause analysis. Tie to Day 17 reliability by alerting on failure patterns. Add distributed tracing with tools like Zipkin or Jaeger to follow requests across services. In Day 7 microservices, centralize for unified views. Observability best practices, monitor golden signals, latency, traffic, errors, saturation for key insights. Base alerts on SLOs from Day 17. Use log sampling to manage high volume without losing trends. Set retention policies to balance historical access with storage costs. Advanced monitoring with Prometheus. Federation aggregates from multiple instances for large scale. Build custom exporters for unique app metrics. Use Thanos for long-term storage and querying. Advanced alert routing groups and inhibits for nuanced notifications. Advanced logging with ELK. Deploy Beats agents for edge collection. Consider FluentD as an alternative to Logstash for lighter ingestion. Use Kibana's ML for automated anomaly detection in logs. Integrate Elastic Security for SIEM capabilities, combining logs with threat intel.
Reliability through monitoring. Set proactive alerts to preempt Day 17 failures. Correlate with Day 15 performance for holistic views. Analyze security logs from Day 13 for intrusion detection. Track Day 16 scalability metrics to guide expansions. Advanced observability practices. Implement distributed tracing for end-to-end request flows. Generate service maps to visualize dependencies. Use AI Ops for predictive failure analytics. Adopt open telemetry for standardized instrumentation across tools. Common pitfalls. Alert fatigue from excessive false positives reduces response effectiveness. Log overload explodes storage without rotation. Missing context in logs hinders correlation. Ignoring baselines misses subtle anomalies in metrics.
Recapping Day 18, we covered monitoring for metrics and logging for events with best practices.
Detailed tools like Prometheus and ELK, integration with prior days and pitfalls. The key takeaway: embrace observability to enable proactive, data-driven system management. Welcome to Day 18 of our 50 Days Software Architecture class, where we delve into the critical world of monitoring and logging best practices. This session is designed to equip you with the knowledge to build and maintain robust, observable systems, ensuring their health and performance in complex environments. Today, we'll explore how to observe system health, detect issues early, and analyze logs for troubleshooting and performance insights in complex, distributed environments. Understanding these practices is crucial for any modern software architect or developer aiming for operational excellence. Effective monitoring provides real-time visibility into your system's performance and behavior, allowing you to proactively identify and address potential problems before they impact users. This proactive approach is fundamental to maintaining high availability and reliability. Logging, on the other hand, captures detailed records of events within your applications, which are invaluable for post-incident analysis, debugging, and understanding user behavior. These logs serve as a historical record, offering deep insights into system operations. Together, monitoring and logging form the backbone of observability, ensuring your systems are robust, reliable, and performant. They provide the necessary feedback loops to continuously improve your software architecture and operational processes. We'll discuss key tools like Prometheus for monitoring, known for its powerful multidimensional data model and flexible query language, PromQL. Prometheus has become a standard in cloud-native environments due to its efficiency and scalability. Prometheus excels at collecting time series data, making it ideal for tracking metrics over time and setting up alerts based on predefined thresholds. This allows teams to quickly react to anomalies and prevent service disruptions, ensuring system stability. For logging, the ELK stack, comprising Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, offers a comprehensive solution for centralized log management. This powerful combination allows for efficient ingestion, storage, and visualization of vast amounts of log data. Elasticsearch provides powerful search and analytics capabilities. Logstash handles data collection and transformation from various sources, and Kibana offers intuitive visualization dashboards for exploring and understanding your log data. This integrated approach streamlines log analysis. These tools enable you to aggregate logs from diverse sources, making it significantly easier to search, filter, and analyze them for patterns, anomalies, and security incidents. Centralized logging is a cornerstone of effective incident response and system auditing. When implementing monitoring, define clear service level objectives, or SLOs, to measure the performance and availability of your services from a user-centric perspective. These objectives guide your monitoring strategy and help prioritize efforts. Establish meaningful alerts that notify you of critical issues without overwhelming your team with false positives, which can lead to alert fatigue. A well-tuned alerting system ensures that engineers are only paged for actionable problems. For logging, standardize your log formats across all applications to ensure consistency and ease of parsing by automated tools and human operators. Consistent formats are vital for efficient log aggregation and analysis across a distributed system. Implement structured logging, which outputs logs in a machine-readable format like JSON, making them much easier to query, filter, and analyze programmatically. This significantly enhances the utility of your log data for automated processing and insights. Regularly review your monitoring dashboards and log data to identify trends, anticipate problems, and continuously improve system performance and user experience. This iterative process of review and refinement is key to long-term system health. This approach builds on Day 17's reliability engineering, ensuring your systems are not just resilient, but also transparent in their operation, allowing for quick identification and resolution of issues. Observability is a direct enabler of reliability. It also incorporates Day 16 scalability principles, allowing for monitored scaling where resources are adjusted based on real-time performance metrics and predicted load. This ensures optimal resource utilization and cost efficiency while maintaining performance. Furthermore, these practices align with Day 2 solid principles, particularly in designing observable and maintainable systems that are easier to understand, debug, and evolve. Designing for observability from the start reduces future operational overhead. By integrating monitoring and logging from the outset of your development process, you facilitate quick diagnostics and continuous improvements throughout your software's life cycle. This proactive integration is a hallmark of mature software engineering practices. In summary, robust monitoring and logging are indispensable for maintaining operational excellence, ensuring system reliability, and driving continuous improvement in today's complex software landscapes. They are not just tools, but fundamental pillars of modern software architecture. Thank you for joining us on Day 18. We hope these best practices empower you to build more resilient, observable, and high-performing systems in your own projects. Stay tuned for more insights in our 50 Days Software Architecture class. Day 19 explores DevOps integration, from CI/CD to infrastructure as code.
For homework, conceptualize or set up a basic monitoring dashboard for a hypothetical system, perhaps using Prometheus or ELK elements. If you have questions from today's content, drop them in the comments. Irene and I will respond with detailed explanations. Thanks so much for your continued engagement. If this session added value, please like, share it with your network, and subscribe to keep following along with the full series.